Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Technology Insights. Today we are driving into a world of artificial intelligence, a technology that is shaping our present and defining our future. AI is no longer a science fiction. People would think it's so far to come, but it's here. It's no longer future. It is in your phone. It is in your school. It is in your business. And even in our government systems. And the question is, how far are you prepared with artificial intelligence? The question is no longer if AI will affect our life, but how prepared we are to embrace it. Tell me, who has ever used the Google Maps? Who has ever used the chatbot or a voice assistant today? Let's know AI is everywhere. Even we don't see it. But just even if you don't see it or you don't know about it, AI is everywhere. For example, we use TikTok, YouTube, Google, search, banking, fraud detection, traffic apps, all those applications, we have AI there. And those are our day-to-day applications that we do use. I hope everyone here has ever used YouTube. If not, TikTok. If not, Google. Or any search engine. Or any browser. You have ever used the internet banking. You see traffic lights. All those areas we find AI. Let me tell you about what AI or artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, problem solving, and understanding language or images. AI is mostly software, not robots. Robots are not AI, but software is AI. AI learns from data and patterns. Let me give you some of the real life or real world examples. Mobile money fraud detections. You use those trust factor authorization and others. Mobile money fraud detections is AI. AI chatbots in banks or customer service. Personalized learning platforms like ours. Take your time and visit www.learning.acsinternational.org or visit Senior Computer Services International at Gmail, Senior Computer Services International. At e-learning sector, you find AI. Everything is customized. Whatever you want, you find it there. Sometimes the computer is one which will teach you. Ladies and gentlemen, can you think of AI you have used today? You can, in your comment, or you can support, and then tell me. Think about where you have used today. How AI helps to solve everyday problem, traffic, education, finance, among others. Think about them. Then you give me your answers. I want to assure you that in today's life or today's environment, we will find there is no way we are going to run out of technology. In particular, artificial intelligence, known as AI. So, let's understand AI and embrace it. Don't hide, or don't think that AI is somewhere very far. AI is everywhere. Nowadays, people are using smartphones. You find by percentage, you find in communities we live, 60% they are having smartphones, they're having phones, any kind of phone. Under those phones, they are full of AI. But how often do you use them? How often do you use those platforms appropriately? Or you just look at them and then you just say, it's like that. Let me give you a brief history and evolution of AI. In 1950s, Alan Turing, can machines think? That was his invention. Can machines think? That was a timeline. In that timeline in 1950s, Alan Turing, can machine think? In 1956, we had the terminologies, artificial intelligence, and it coined. Between 1980s and 1990s, expert systems were brought. Remember, in the 50s, people fought to see that, or to find out whether machines can think. 1956, at least terminologies known as artificial intelligence were coined. And then between 1980s and 1990s, expert systems were introduced. In 2000, big data and faster computers were invented. And that is machines, and that is artificial intelligence. In the 2010s, machine learning and deep learning was introduced. 2020 up to today, generative AI, that is ChatGPT, AI image or video tools, they are now in place. Meta AI, deep think. You find that AI now is everywhere. Now all the programmers, now they are using AI systems. Take an example. Nowadays, people use ChatGPT to generate essays, AI art platforms like creating images from text, and so many others. How do you think these AI tools could change your work or studies? Or you just look at them and say, it's out of my reach. Think about them. Let me give you some of the types of AI. We have what we call narrow AI. That is weak AI. This one, it performs a single task. For example, we have spam filters, voice assistants, YouTube recommendations. Those are weak AI or narrow AI because they perform particular or single tasks. Secondly, we have general AI, that is also known as strong AI. This one is alphabetical AI that can perform any human task. Though this one is still under research, like people are expanding the idea. Additionally, have generative AI. Generative AI, this one create content like text, images, music, video, codes, among others. The best example is ChatGPT and other AI image generators or video AI video tools. People tell me, you tell me, which type of AI have you interacted with recently? Tell me about which type of AI that you have last used or have last engaged in. Let me give you some of the real world examples. Nowadays, banks use AI chatbots to handle customer inquiries. You send an inquiry to the bank, it is responded immediately, and you think that is a human being talking. No, that is AI. AI tools in schools that are used to grade students' work and giving feedback. Now people are using AI. How does AI work? Let me tell you about AI works, because they are simplified in these steps. Data. Machines need data to learn. So meaning those AI tools, they need data. Algorithms, they are built on rules. They follow some rules to process data. Training. These machines or AI platforms, they learn from patterns. Prediction or decision, they are based on machine output results. And I can talk about improvement that they go through continuous learning. For example, face unlock on phones. AI learns patterns on your face and unlock security. Face lock. It just learns patterns. Your patterns are different from another person, even if you are twins. Mobile banking fraud detection. AI identify unusual transaction. We have ChatGPT. Can you ask it any question? You receive feedback. Try to make a transaction on mobile money. It will ask for a PIN. If you don't know that PIN, the transaction will not be successful. Do you know what data the AI uses to make a decision? Think about it. Next time I will need the feedback from you. Or you can give me feedback in a comment section. Let me give you some of the real world applications and African context about AI. First, let me get to education. We have what you call personalized learning platform like ours. We have AI tutors and grading tools. For example, AI helping rural students in Uganda to access lessons online. Second, healthcare. AI diagnostic tools analyzes the X-ray predicting disease outbreaks. In agriculture, crop disease detection, weather prediction, market price forecasting. For example, mobile apps helping farmers maximize their yields. That's AI. In business and entrepreneurship, fraud detection, customer support automation, sales forecasting. So, startups using AI to analyze market trends. In the government and public service, we find that traffic management, resource allocation, public service optimization, they purely depend on AI. Let me tell you which one of these few aspects, government and service, business and agriculture, healthcare and education, among those, which one impacts in your life the most? Which one impacts in your life or impacts your life at most? Let me tell you about benefits, risks and ethics of AI. AI helps in the faster decision making. You can ask AI anything and then it can predict a perfect decision, and then it supports your decision making than just making a decision anyhow. We have what we call increased efficiency, cost reduction. If we use AI very well, we find that the costs involved or invested in making research is reduced because you just need the data. But in the old fashion, you found that people could travel distances to receive support. But now what you need is only your phone or your laptop or any related gadget. (24/7) availability. You find that with artificial intelligence, customer service or customer care, all clients are handled 24/7 through chatbots and other related areas. So those are some of the benefits. Education. Now people are learning online. People in rural areas, they are accessing education platforms. In health, you find that people, all health workers, they are using AI to determine or to predict diseases, outbreak, and among others. There are so many benefits of artificial intelligence. List more in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment or even like the video, share it to your friends. Risks. Let me tell you about the risks. You know, as good things come, they come with the problems. Job displacement, where we would have needed 10 people, we only need 5 or 3 or 1, because others machines will handle. So find that jobs are lowered and it will be hard for people to get jobs. bias in AI systems. People fear AI systems that can be, maybe they can harm some initiatives. Data privacy issues. The data is not secure with AI. People can use it, you can be accessed using AI. Over reliance, people if they know AI, they over rely or they over depend on AI, and then it fails to use their heads or to use their mind to think on their own. Ethics. AI should argument humans. Don't use praise, ethical judgment. So don't use AI to draw conclusions. Don't use AI to draw conclusions. Decisions must consider fairness, transparency, and responsibility. For example, deepfakes spreading misinformation. Deepfakes, and that's fake information. It moves faster than correct information. Credit scoring, AI should bias it if trained on biased data. So we should use AI reasonable. So don't depend on it in all things. Let it only help you in decision making. How would you tell me, how would you ensure AI is used responsibly in your organization or your community? How would you ensure that AI is used responsibly in your organization or company or community? Let me tell you about skills needed for AI adoptions. Don't just adopt. Before using AI, listen to me very well. We have some technical skills and human skills needed before adopting AI. One of the technical skills is digital literacy. You should have some skills in using machines or computers before adopting AI. Otherwise, you can mess up. You need some skills in basic. You need some basic programming or AI tool usage. Additionally, you should understand data and analysis. Digital literacy, basic programming or AI tool usage, understanding data and analysis. Those are the some of the technical skills you need before adopting AI. And these are human skills that I'm giving. You need to think very well. So we need critical thinking, creativity, problem solving, ethics, and decision making before adopting AI. If you don't have those, then don't adopt AI. Or try to adopt these skills before continuing. Because there's no way you're going to run away from AI. So in all ways, you have to adopt critical thinking, creativity, problem solving, ethics, and decision making. Because if you don't adopt them, then AI will can easily take you in a wrong path. For example, a teacher using AI to create personalized lesson plans. A small business owner using AI to predict customer trends. So you tell me, which of these skills do you already have? Or which one do you want to develop so that you can receive support? Among those skills, the human skills, I said we have critical thinking, creativity, problem solving, ethics, and decision making. In the technical one, digital skills, basic programming and AI tool usage, understanding data and analyzing. Those are the skills needed for AI adoption. So if you can tell me, the audience, which of these skills do you already have? And which one do you want to develop? So let me tell you about the future of AI and Africa. These are just predictions. I'm not saying that they are facts, but they are just predictions. Smart assistants in every home. AI-powered agriculture, health care, and education. New jobs created for those who understand AI. You understand AI? Jobs are available. That's the future of AI and Africa. By prediction, we hope that smart assistants will be installed in every home. AI-powered agriculture, health care, and education. New jobs created for those who understand artificial intelligence. Let's talk about Africa or Uganda perspective. We hope that in Uganda, AI will be used to predict floods. And we find smart farming apps for Ugandan farmers. The people, they just use apps to predict the market and the other things. We find AI in education to improve rural access. I'm saying Uganda or Africa perspective as in relation to AI. One, I said AI for predicting floods. I said smart farming apps for Ugandan farmers. And lastly was AI in education to improve rural access or improving rural access. So you people tell me, how can AI solve a real problem in your community? Depending on what you have talked about. Predict. How do you think? How do you think about that? So my message to you is, artificial intelligence is not here to replace us. It is here to empower us, to solve problems, to learn faster, and to innovate. The future belongs to those who embrace AI responsibly, adapt and use it to make a difference. Don't fear AI. Learn it, use it, and learn with it. My call for action is learn continuously, experiment with AI tools, teach others, use AI ethically and creatively. The future is intelligent. The future is digital, and the future begins with you today. Thank you so much. We meet again in another Technology Insight, and I call everyone to join our seminars and our engagement. Thank you.